In this video, we're going to learn how to make an accessible icon from within Microsoft PowerPoint. Welcome to the Accessibility Guide channel. My name is Sean Jordison, and let's jump right in. All right, let's insert this accessible icon. I am trying to convey some status from this assignment table. I currently have two icons in here for my complete ones, and they are green and have a black outline, which makes them accessible to color contrast requirements. What I want to do to add another accessible icon is to select the insert button and then select icon. And I'm looking for a stop style of icon. So I'm going to select this this black circle with a cross through it and select insert. And I am now going to make it accessible. To do that, I'm going to select the graphics format tab, and I want the outline to be set to black, and I want the fill to be this red. Let's try that outline one more time. And what that does is it puts a border around the content. Now we can also expand the border so that the color contrast is very prominent. And let's go ahead and do that on our checkboxes. I'm going to hold my control key, select each one, and in the fill options, or in the line options, I'm going to ensure the width is big enough on my outline. I'm then going to bring this shape down a little bit and put it into the right location. And I'm going to put that on the missing tab. Now there are other things that I need to do to make this part accessible, but this is not going to be a document that is consumable. And so this is really for a visual representation that I am trying to convey about having different shapes with our labels. That is how you would create accessible icons. And that concludes today's video on how to make an icon accessible using Microsoft PowerPoint. If you want to join my exclusive community where we have multiple self-paced courses and direct access to the accessibility guide, check out the link in the description of this video. And as always, I could be your champion for inclusion. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I'll see you next time.